Recently I got a new radio, a Kenwood TS 430S. Great radio, it gets all the frequencies, but I like to listen on 11 meters and sometimes 10 meters. I use it for listening to digital modes and picking it up using my free copy of Digital Master 780 that comes with the free copy of Ham Radio Deluxe. And this here's my waterfall presentation here, but you see these lines, these vertical lines. And I've got this set for 27.5 megahertz right now. I see these vertical lines, and there's a horizontal one just going off. There'll be another one. I'm trying to figure out what causes these. You see they're on both ends of the spectrum here, but not so much here in the middle. Although you can see them fading out right into that area right there. And I'm wondering if anyone knows what these are.